Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video you will learn how you can remove background from any images just under 2 minutes and just using two easy steps, and which is absolutely free and it is also mobile friendly. Now let's show you how you can do it. So the first site is Stickermule trace. Go to this link. Now here you have to sign up to edit. Since I already did, now you can upload the image that you want your background to be removed, or you can just drag and drop the image. Now it will take just few seconds to upload depending upon your internet speed, and there you go. Your background is removed and all set to download. But also, if you want to change the background color, if you want to put another background, or if you want your own brand color, you can also use hex code. For now, I just want PNG file without any background, so I'm downloading it. The site is free and will do your work in just 2 minutes or less. And the another free site is 𝐓𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐒. I don't know, it's not working in my Chrome. That's why I am using Mozilla Firefox right now. You can just try it in any search engine. Type 𝐓𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐒 and click the first link. Here you don't have to sign up to edit. Just upload and drag and drop the image. It will take only few seconds to remove your background. Now you can download it on different resolutions. Also, you can edit the background colors and image just like this Stickermule. So how was it, guys? If this video is helpful, just let me know in the comment section, or you guys can always DM me on Instagram. I will be so happy to reply you guys. And also, if you want to learn how you can repurpose your content to 10x your growth, you can check this video. And if you want to see more of my contents, then stay subscribed to my channel. And yeah, bye, have a good day and stay safe.